Should you reinvest your earnings into Atlas Earth? I'm cashing out $10 to spend on things that have real value instead of putting it back into the game Atlas Earth. The Atlas Earth community is split on whether you should keep your money in the platform and reinvest it, or you should withdraw it to spend on real world items. In this video I'm going to be discussing why you should consider withdrawing your money you've earned from Atlas Earth. Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustlereliance. On my channel our aim is to help the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. I've been exploring Atlas Earth, the virtual real estate game, for over 8 months now. Atlas Earth is a game where you actually buy virtual properties. Then these properties pay you a small amount of money every single second. The more property you own, the more money you will earn. It's really slow to start with, but once you actually got more and more property, it really picks up and ramps up really quickly. I've actually included a special link in the description to Atlas Earth. If you do use it, you actually do get 200 Atlas bucks for free when you buy your 11th piece of land. Plus, when you first sign up, you actually do get 100 Atlas bucks for free, which is enough to buy your first piece of virtual land or property. So it's definitely worth using a referral link where you can. Then when you're signed up, simply choose a piece of land to buy, and then you'll be assigned a random rarity based on that land. So it could either be common, rare, epic, or legendary. Depending on the actual rarity is how much money you would earn per second based on that one piece of land. I'm a total free-to-play player. I will never put money into a game like this, and I actually managed to obtain 58 pieces of land, 5 badges, and I'm constantly trying to expand the amount of land I actually do own in Atlas Earth. I've actually made it part of my daily routine, and using my current strategy, I'm actually earning 25 cents a day from just Atlas Earth without putting any money into it, with my end goal being to reach $5 a day on Atlas Earth. If you want to learn how to actually maximize your earnings on Atlas Earth, please check the video in the description or in the card in the top right. I've done a full video analysing how you can make the most out of the platform. Anyways, I'm all about making passive income, and there's just something satisfying about making money from nothing. And that's why I actually love Atlas Earth. You literally watch a few ads and then you make money from it. It's that simple. Some people believe it's worthwhile to take your profits and reinvest them, but I actually do not agree with this one bit. I believe when using Atlas Earth, you need to take your money out. And I'm actually going to be giving you lot 4 reasons why you need to take your money out instead of reinvesting the amount of rent you've actually accrued. Number 1, you may never get your money back. So if you put real money into this game, whether that's buying actual land with real money or converting dollars in the game to Atlas bucks, there's no guarantee you'll actually see a return. Right now, if you reinvest $1, that will actually convert to 25 Atlas bucks, or during the conversion bonus period, you'll get 33 Atlas bucks for that $1. That would mean that each piece of land costs between $3 to $4 when reinvested. And if that piece of land is common, it's going to take years to actually earn that $1 back.
You're joking. Not another one?
Instead of just reinvesting in yourself and taking the money out. Actually ask yourself though, could you just watch ads and be a free-to-play player like myself? 100 ads equals 1 piece of land, or $4 in this regard. I would much rather watch 100 ads and buy 1 piece of land than risk losing on $4. That money is real and tangible, and you can take that out. Number 2, your money could work harder elsewhere. Every dollar withdrawn from Atlas Earth can be put into something else, which could grow faster in value. I take all of my earnings and I put them into a high yield savings account, or even real investments like the S&P 500. Even a 4% annual savings account will actually earn you more than this virtual rent ever could. So always remember to take your money out where you can. Atlas Earth might not last. There's always a risk that the application could shut down. And if that happens, any money you put into the platform or any money left in the platform is gone forever. Why would you risk it? Take the money while you can. And finally, reinvesting comes with an opportunity cost. Every dollar you put back into Atlas Earth is a dollar you can't use for something better. Whether that's just to fund a new side hustle or even just treat yourself to something new, like a new video game or something, your money has more worth outside of the game than it does in the game. So why would you want to leave it in a platform where there's a potential you won't get that same value back? One thing I haven't actually mentioned in this video yet is how you actually earn Atlas bucks. So you can watch ads, you can put money into the platform to buy Atlas bucks, but you can also do surveys, you can play mini games, and there's loads of other ways to earn. And I strongly believe, isn't it more sense just to take the money you actually earn from the platform out? And if you do want to buy more land, you do ads, you do surveys, you play these mini games, it just makes more sense to me than actually having to grind out $10 to just reinvest it to then have to spend another month trying to grind another $10. I'm a strong believer your time is valuable, and that's why I cash out every single chance I get. Do not be afraid to take your profits. Every little bit adds up and it makes a big difference. Atlas Earth is definitely one of those apps that starts off painfully slow. The more time you invest into it, the more you earn, but the growth rate is extremely gradual. But I definitely believe investing real money into the platform is not the way forward. I'm actually really curious, if you do use Atlas Earth, do you take your money out or do you reinvest it? And if you do reinvest it, Why do you do it? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please go like, it'll be greatly appreciated. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.
Made some dicey money choices. Don't invest in a spider-themed restaurant.